Okay, we're going to do a quick little tutorial here to demonstrate the animal face project. I'm going to start with the two images we have. We have the human and the cat. Get this back to where we want it. Okay, and I'm going to use a trick to lower the opacity of this layer so I can see how well it lines up with the cat eyes. As you can see, it doesn't. We need to do a couple things. We need to expand this layer a bit so that those eyes are farther apart, just a little bit more, and then line them up with the cat eyes decently. So there we are. All right. Okay. Now, when we have that, we're going to return the opacity to normal. Okay. And what we will do is what we've done before in other projects. We're going to go ahead and select the layer mask, add the layer mask down there at the bottom of the layer palette. You see it's up here now, and it's selected. Then immediately grab the gradient tool and run it across. Okay. And then, as we want this to be fully opaque in the middle, we wanted to have that transition across from left to right. We're going to tighten this up. Okay, and then we have that done through layer mask. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and back up now and show you a second way to do this. Which is to use the paintbrush tool. Now the brush tool is this one. Hover if you need to wait a second. You just want the brush tool. This is a history brush tool. It functions differently, and it's not what we want to use for this. So with the brush tool, whatever we paint black will erase this layer, okay, and show through the other layer. Now, if we have opacity at 100%, it'll just be 100% erasure, okay? But if we change opacity to 50 or whatever, we can soften it. We can also adjust our brush softness, so that we are using a different brush. We can adjust our brush size. And what you want to do for this project is make sure you can adjust the brush size and the hardness to achieve the effect you want. So if all you want to do is have those cat eyes come through partially, you can do just that. Okay. And you can shape your selection so that only a portion comes through. So obviously I'm doing this quick and sloppy, but this enables you to customize your thing. But also if you soften your opacity, if you change the hardness of the brush, or if you change to a different shade of black, it will function differently. And the two things will. All those soften the equivalency.